friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss about remove items from the set. Okay, remove items from the set. How to by using different methods. Okay, here we have these methods for removing elements or sets, whatever maybe. Okay, here see. Suppose if I want to remove any particular item in the set, we are using remove method. Okay, see this set dot remove. Okay, this set dot remove. Under the parenthesis you have enter any element. Okay, here I am removing cherry. Okay, here I am removing cherry. Print this set. Okay, now it will be print. Okay, apple and banana. Okay, apple and banana. Suppose if you enter any apple. Okay, and this will print cherry and banana. Okay, in this way you have used remove method. Okay, instead of remove you can use discard also, no problem. Okay, instead of remove you have used discard also, no problem. It will be work same remove method. Okay, see like this. Okay, suppose here I am giving banana. Okay, see in this way it will be work. Okay, the operation of the operation of remove and discard both will be same. Okay, now here you have to use remove method or discard method, both will give same results. Okay, next here you can use pop method. Okay, here you can use pop method. Under the pop you don't enter any element. Okay, under the pop you don't enter any element. The pop method will remove random element in the set. Okay, any random element in the set. Let's have a look here. Now cherry and banana removed. Okay, now cherry and banana removed. Now banana and cherry, banana and cherry. Actually, previous apple removed. Okay, now banana removed. Okay, but actually it will work randomly. The random element will be removed. That's pop choice. Okay, that pop choice. Actually, in previous bulletin data structures like list and tuple, here we entered index number. Okay, here we entered index number, but in sets we don't have indexes, right? That's why you don't enter any index number. Okay, pop method will remove any random element from the set. Okay, I hope you understand. You can do practice, you easily understand. Next, you can use clear method. Okay, you can use clear method. The clear method will work. It will clean complete elements from the set. Okay, it will clean complete elements from the set like this. Okay, this is the empty set. There is no elements from the set. It will clear all elements from the set. Okay, in this way we are using clear method. Next, delete. Okay, by using delete uh, actually the total. Okay, the total set will be removed. Okay, the error will be printed like this. Okay, the delete method, using by using delete method we can delete complete set. Okay, in this way we are using these methods, friends. Okay, you can do practice, you understand very easily. Okay, please like this video, subscribe my channel, share to your friends. Thank you so much.